Check out this Dodge 2018 Charger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster and power 8-way driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.